night I was running with Cordelia Knott. We were walking down Market Street, and this past year, I like finally just started using it as my scare tactic, which I never have, which is really weird because I started certifying the slide every year since like 2015, and I just never did because I either overthink it or I was just like, nah, I don't need to do that, or I'm probably not going to be good enough, so like whatever. But this past year, I was finally like, okay, like I'm not getting any younger. I might as well like try to do it now. And it was probably like a Sunday or a Thursday, so it's kind of slower. So we're just like strolling along, and there's like a couple coming around the corner. Pretty good gap to take for me to slide. So I was like, okay, I might as well just do it here. So I'm like, okay, I already have in my mind that it's the worst floor. So I start running and running and running, and then I like hit the ground, and I don't even move like 1 inch. I just totally just come to a stop. I don't like no sliding whatsoever, and I pretty much fall on my face, literally like right in front of him, which is like the worst. And I'm like, well, I literally can't get out of this gracefully, so I might as well just lay on the floor because I look so stupid right now, and I felt stupid. They're walking by just like laughing at me. I'm like, well, here I am. So I just laid in the middle of Market Street, just like dead weight, just laying there for like a few seconds. And then Snooki came, and she thought I had re-injured my knee because I had a prior knee injury. So she was pulling me up, and she put me on her back, and she carried me backstage because she thought I had re-injured my knee. It was the best.